The Cairns Esplanade in Queensland, Australia is popular with locals and tourists. Entry is free to this stunning recreational area with its many shaded paths and parklands. The Promenade boardwalk is suspended over the mudflats to provide a pedestrian accessway and a viewpoint for birdwatching. The 2.5-kilometer long promenade is fully wheelchair accessible. The Esplanade features beach volleyball courts, an award-winning skate plaza, bouldering parks, playgrounds, and free barbecues. The barbecues have covered cooking areas, water, and power. The iconic Esplanade Lagoon, set on the Cairns foreshore, overlooks the Barrier Reef. The woven fish art installation created by Brian Robinson in 2003 is one of Cairns' best-known landmarks. The promenade gives easy access to the restaurants and shops in the CBD. Simply press the button on the pedestrian traffic light and walk across when it turns green. We ended our night walking tour of the Cairns Esplanade with a meal at McDonald's and Christmas song at the Esplanade Plaza.
In a big black dove.